In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an Asana project. Whether you're organizing a new campaign or streamlining your workflow, knowing how to effectively duplicate a project can save you time and keep your work organized. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Asana project that you'd like to duplicate. If you're not already familiar with Asana's interface, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Open the project and direct your attention to the top of the screen. To the right of the project title, you'll notice a small caret icon. This is your gateway to a variety of project options. Go ahead and click on that caret icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Once you've accessed the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Duplicate. Select this option to initiate the duplication process. Now, this is where you'll start transforming your original project into a new, replicated version. As soon as you click on Duplicate, you'll be prompted with a box inviting you to enter a new name for your duplicate project. This step is crucial, particularly if you want to avoid any confusion between the original and the duplicate. Think of a name that reflects the purpose of the new project clearly, so it's easily identifiable. Moving on, you'll see a series of checkboxes appear. These checkboxes give you control over what elements of the original project you'd like to carry over to the duplicate. You can select from project details such as tasks, task descriptions, and assignees, among others. Take a moment to carefully consider what you really need in your duplicate. For example, if the new project will be handled by a different team, you may not want to duplicate the assignees. Conversely, maintaining consistency in task descriptions might be essential if the project follows the same structure as the original. Once you've made your selections, ensuring all necessary items are checked to meet your needs, you're almost done. The final step is to simply click on the Duplicate Project button at the bottom of this window. And just like that, Asana will get to work, creating a complete duplicate of your project based on your specifications. You'll notice the duplicate project appear in your dashboard, ready to be customized further, collaborated on, or simply kept as a ready-made template for future projects. So, there you have it. That's all it takes to efficiently duplicate a project in Asana. It's a simple yet powerful way to leverage previous work processes and apply them to new endeavors, enhancing productivity and making project management a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to explore more of Asana's features to continue optimizing your workflow.